Good morning, dear soul. As you awaken to a new day, take a moment to truly connect with yourself. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and let your body relax fully into the surface beneath you. Gently close your eyes and begin by taking a deep breath in. Hold for a moment. And now exhale slowly, letting go of any lingering thoughts or tension. With each breath, imagine yourself sinking deeper into the present moment. The past no longer matters and the future has yet to arrive. All that exists is now, and in this now you are creating the life you desire. So let go of everything that doesn't serve you. This is your moment to recharge, to realign, and to set the tone for a day filled with abundance, prosperity, and gratitude. As you breathe, imagine that each inhale brings fresh energy into your body. Let it fill you from head to toe. And as you exhale, let go of any stress or negativity. Allow this practice to gently guide you toward a space of inner peace and clarity. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, glowing light above you, gentle and soothing. As you inhale, visualize this light descending into your body. It starts at the crown of your head, filling your forehead, your eyes, and your cheeks with warmth. Allow this golden light to move down your neck and into your shoulders, slowly melting away any tension you may be holding. With each breath, this light flows down your arms, through your chest, and into your abdomen. Feel the light clearing any blockages, dissolving all negativity, and bringing peace to every part of your being. Let it move down your legs, past your knees, and all the way to the tips of your toes. As this golden light flows through you, feel your body relaxing even deeper. You are allowing your energy to align with your highest potential. Feel how the warm light connects you to the universe, to the abundance of the cosmos. You are grounded, open, and receptive to all the blessings awaiting you. Now place your awareness on your heart. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Your heart is the center of your power, the source of love and abundance. As you continue to breathe, imagine your heart center glowing with radiant energy. Feel this energy expanding, filling your chest with love, gratitude, and deep peace. Now let's activate the abundance frequency within you. Imagine a field of golden light surrounding your entire body. This light is the energy of the universe, and it is abundant. Everything you need, everything you desire already exists in this energy field. With every breath, feel yourself becoming one with this field. Know that abundance is not something you have to strive for. It is something you align with. The universe is already abundant, and you are a part of this infinite flow of wealth, love, and opportunity. As you continue to breathe, allow yourself to feel the truth of this abundance. Imagine this golden light moving into your heart, your mind, your entire being. It is as if the universe is sending you a direct signal, confirming that everything you want is already on its way. With each inhale, feel yourself becoming more open to receiving. With each exhale, release any old beliefs that say you're not worthy of this abundance. Let go of all limitations. You are a magnificent creator, and you deserve every blessing that comes your way. Now let's affirm these truths. Repeat them in your mind, feeling their power with every word. These are your truths. These are the frequencies you are aligning with today. I am abundant, and abundance flows effortlessly to me. I am deserving of wealth, and it comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I am worthy of living the life of my dreams. I am attracting prosperity in all areas of my life: health, wealth, relationships, and career. I am worthy of success and I embrace it fully. I am grateful for all the blessings already in my life. I am confident, empowered, and in control of my destiny. I am deserving of love, kindness, and respect, especially from myself. I am a magnet for opportunities that bring me closer to my dreams. I am open to receiving everything that life has to offer. Feel each affirmation deeply within you. As you repeat them, notice how your energy is shifting. You are becoming aligned with the frequency of abundance. You are embodying these truths. Now let your mind drift toward your ideal life. See yourself living in harmony with all that you desire. Picture your perfect day, waking up in a peaceful, beautiful environment. Feel the comfort of your surroundings. You are at peace. See yourself doing the work you love, receiving recognition. And experiencing the flow of success. Feel the abundance around you, whether it's financial freedom, meaningful relationships, vibrant health, or professional success. See your bank account filled with wealth, your relationships full of love and support, and your every desire manifesting effortlessly. Feel the gratitude filling your heart as you realize that everything you want is already yours. As you visualize this, remember that the universe has already given you everything you need. You are deserving of this life, and you are grateful for it. Every step you take today brings you closer to the realization of your dreams. Let's continue to deepen our connection to gratitude, self-love, and prosperity. As you repeat each affirmation, feel the power of these words soaking deep into your soul. You are truly grateful for everything that is already here and everything that is coming. I am grateful for the abundance that is already present in my life. I am grateful for my health, my body, and my mind. I am thankful for all the love and support I receive from the people around me. I am thankful for the opportunities I am presented with every day. I am worthy of love, kindness, and success. I am abundant, and abundance flows effortlessly to me. I am deserving of wealth, and it comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I am worthy of living the life of my dreams. I am attracting prosperity in all areas of my life: health, wealth, relationships, and career. I am worthy of success, and I embrace it fully. I am grateful for all the blessings already in my life. I am confident, empowered, and in control of my destiny. I am deserving of love, kindness, and respect, especially from myself. I am a magnet for opportunities that bring me closer to my dreams. I am open to receiving everything that life has to offer. I am grateful for the lessons I've learned and the growth I've experienced. I am thankful for the infinite possibilities that await me today. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to feel the energy of abundance, love, and gratitude within you. Know that this energy is yours to carry with you throughout the day. Feel the joy of this new alignment and trust that every step you take from here will bring you closer to your highest self. When you're ready, begin to bring your